Hi and welcome to today, the 8th of December 2022. And currently, I have two positions open on UJ, two sell positions. I'm hoping that the market will sell, probably aggressively, and fall down to a zone fall down to at least this zone here for the first day, and probably tomorrow it gets down to the second zone before we looking out for breakouts. But at the moment, I just will try and maintain these two positions. It's actually a live account for my forex funds, 20k. Live account. So fingers crossed, and I'm hoping that I won't have to blow this account. But whichever way, my stop loss is set. Everything to keep me in place is set. Hoping that things move out the way I have predicted. My bias for this analysis is based on the monthly time frame and the daily time frame. So on the monthly, you could see that the month of November was significantly bearish, and the first week of December saw a very huge spike to the upside, which I assume is just retracement though. Then as of yesterday, it formed a pin bar, which could signify a downtrend, a change of sentiment to the downside. So now I just look for my position on the 4-hour time frame to back this up and play the waiting game. Update on the trade I took some hours ago, and I closed the first two positions in the initial clip of this video, which should be just two positions. I think these two positions here. Well, I later entered more. I entered extra positions at this level here, 136.690, and also took partial profits because I had something to attend to. I didn't want to really risk leaving the trade open. No matter how confident you are about a trade, never leave it to run without your optimum attention. So for now, I'm just trimming this open position. If the next candlestick could come up to this zone here, I could enter some new positions with just minor lot sizes, but that's tentatively. If I could see a reason to do so, I'll do so. But nonetheless, I'm okay with the profits for today, 382, and I feel that this should be my last trades of the year. My payouts will be due by the 23rd of December, So it's right in time for Christmas. Before then, I will not be releasing a video, and I will take YouTube seriously by next year. I'll be more regular on YouTube by next year. So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so and hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll focus more on tutorials and live sessions by next year. So stay tuned in order not to miss out from all those interesting contents to come. Have a nice and interesting rest of the year and stay profitable if you're still trading. Enjoy. But if I